This Rodeo Realty property video is presented by Carmen Mormino. Less than bedroom greater than number 1,808,462. Professional photos and tour coming soon. 2-year-old, absolutely magnificent and rarely available single-story residence in picturesque Plum Canyon. A combination of wood-like flooring and plush carpet whisks you through this open floor plan, combining the huge living room with stunning kitchen, featuring white cabinetry with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry, huge center island with sink and breakfast bar seating. This layout is ideal for your most special gatherings, large or small. Step through the quality sliders into the spacious and private backyard, a blank slate for you to leave as is or let your imagination run wild. Retire for the evening in your owner's retreat, complete with recessed lighting and a walk-in closet. Private spacious bath highlighted by dual sinks, as well as separate tub and shower. Interior laundry room is an added bonus. The breathtaking combination of this like-new home combined with the stunning community make this the home you have been waiting for. Come visit 19,320 Bension, you deserve it. For more information, review the details below or contact Carmen Mormino. Less than bedroom greater than number